Why does one truly choose Lumix? There's an endless amount of options out there. And I can't tell you which to choose, but I can tell you why I choose Lumix. I often find myself shooting in many different environments. Hot, cold, humid. Anything I throw at them, they're always there when I need them. It's something that can often be overlooked and is one of the most important topics to consider. I can't recall one time that a Lumix camera has overheated on me. Gear that spoils my creativity with endless choices and flexibility is not only an ask, it's required. Most creators get lost here and forget to consider everything a camera has to offer instead of what marketing tells you to focus on. One day I could be shooting a wedding in the mountains that needs some nice slow motion shots. The next month I'm shooting a more narrative promotional video that needs high bitrate codecs. Or even shooting a music video with anamorphic lenses and I need to be as minimal as possible. This goes hand in hand with the camera's specs. Instead of limiting me to one specific niche, I instead can do it all. It's no longer a choice, but rather a new adventure. I know my Lumix camera checks pretty much all the boxes no matter what scenario I throw at it. So not only can I use it to capture all that video content, but I use it to take thumbnails, portraits, landscapes, basically everything. Sometimes people get caught up in cameras that are new, and they forget to ask how long that camera will stay relevant. Even with their older cameras, Lumix is pushing their limits with firmware updates. They are just constantly innovating and trying to make all of their cameras better. Surprises can be expected. All of this can sound aspirational or maybe unoriginal because isn't it what any brand is striving for? So let's bring it back to what's truly important. The image. Even those who only consume content over creating content and don't care about any of that will notice that Lumix magic.